Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode of 9 to 4 Fishing. As you can see, I'm not actually fishing. I've tried going fishing for the past week or so, and I've had terrible luck. And I mean terrible luck. It has rained every day. The fish just flat aren't biting. I don't know. Randy said he's had a couple fish bite, but they've been really sporadic. He doesn't know what they're biting on. So if you guys are struggling with this in Florida, let me know down in the comment section below what you're doing to fix it. And to alleviate this, I'm going to show you guys some of the tackle and things that I bought. I went to Bass Pro Shop down in Daytona this past weekend, so I'm going to show you guys some of that. And yeah, it's going to be kind of a tackle, you know, future plan kind of deal video, since I don't have any fishing videos to upload. But you know, that's just how it is sometimes. First thing I'm going to talk about is these are my old tackle boxes. They're really old. I got them like 3 for $5. They fall apart all the time. The little tabs come off like super easy. It's a serious problem. I've been meaning to replace them for quite some time now, and I finally have. Like I said, I went to Bass Pro Shop, and I don't know, you can't really see it, but I went to Bass Pro Shop, picked up a couple, as well as some new jerk baits, which is pretty cool. This one right here is my favorite. These are the Bass Pro Shop brand. This video is not sponsored by Bass Pro, but I'm always open to new things. So Bass Pro, if you're watching, give me a shout out. But check that out. This is probably one of my favorite colors for a jerkbait. It goes black to silver to red. I really enjoy that one. This one is also very, very nice, black to orange to red. So similar. I've got some Rapalas in here that I plan on taking saltwater fishing shortly. One of my subscribers told me that that's probably one of the best things I could do for trout this time of year. So I just picked up a couple colors, and these are my old jerkbaits, but I finally have enough jerkbaits to actually have a jerkbait box. Differentiate between my square bill box. So now I have a square bill box, I have a jerkbait box, and I have a rattletrap box. So I am finally moving on up in all the stuff that I have. I'm going to go over some tackle that I have next. I also got some Bass Pro Shop hooks. These were ridiculous. Like the prices of one that look 20 count. It's a 5/0. I got 5/0 and I got 4/0. They're offset shank hooks. They were $6 a piece for $6. That's an incredible price. I'm definitely going to be ordering some more of these because I prefer Gamakatsu, but it's kind of hard to afford that because they're like $5 and you only get 5. A dollar hook, that's ridiculous. But I still use Gamakatsu circle hooks, but when it comes to offset shank hooks, just because I lose so many with the underwater structure here in Florida, boom, nice and cheap. Also, my bait of choice for the past couple weeks has been this right here, Trickworm Red Shad, okay? This color was suggested to me by my girlfriend's stepdad, Billy. Huge shout out to Billy. These things have been killer here in Florida. Definitely give these a shot. I usually dip the tip of it here in some garlic stuff, gives it a little bit of color. Not much, not often, but occasionally I will, you know, if I'm not having any luck regularly. But these things always pay off. Every time I throw these, I catch a fish. So I also bought some topwater stuff. Let's look at that. Got a lot of frogs here. I got popping as well as regular, all the same colors pretty much. I got kind of a bluish one here, regular black one, popping black one, then a neon. So there's that. This is also the Bass Pro Shop brand here, frog. This was only $4, I think, and it's a pretty good size, pretty good quality. I like it overall. I threw it a little bit, worked out nice. You can see the size comparison there between the Jawbone and the Bass Pro Shop brand, but I really like these ones, the Bass Pro Shop ones. Also got a new plug for topwater and whatnot from Bass Pro Shop. Really like this as well. That was like $2.30, so that's pretty sweet. Also, something else I picked up that I will be doing a video on. Boom! Trailblazer? I guess Railblazer? I don't know. Anyways, rod holder. I got a rod holder for my kayak, so I'm going to be putting this in. I've never installed one of these before, but we're going to figure it out and do it together. There you go. That is kind of my update video. My brother should be coming down here sometime in the summertime. We're going to be doing some shark fishing. He also got 2 subscribers to subscribe to me from Memphis. He mentioned y'all's names. I can't remember it. If you guys are watching this, thank you guys for watching. Everybody else, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. Tweet about it. Facebook about it. Instagram and all that stuff. I'm not very big on social media. You guys know that. But anyways, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.